Midnight in Tokyo, rain starts to pour. Each step I take leads me somewhere more. Just another artist trying to break through, but something about tonight feels new. Walking past clubs with muffled bass, every reflection shows my face. Never felt so close yet so far from home. The music calls, but I walk alone. The storm picks up its steady beat, my heart in sync with rain-soaked streets. As water falls, I start to see everything I'm meant to be. Let the rain wash over me. Finally clear what I can be. Let it rain, let it pour. Breaking free from what came before. Let the rain wash over me. This is where I'm meant to be. Every droplet holds a different light, streaming down, making everything bright. Found myself in translation here, between two worlds, but crystal clear. The storm becomes my melody, each raindrop sings in harmony. Ancient shrines meet modern sound, in this moment I am found. Tokyo nights got me feeling like I'm floating through districts where tradition keeps flowing. Between the old and new, I'm finding my way. Every beat of rain got something deep to say. Split between cultures, but I'm finally whole. Let the water clean right through to my soul. Past the izakayas where the jazz notes rise through the rainfall, seeing through different eyes. Been running from myself, but tonight I'm staying, listening to the message that the storm's playing. Transformation hits like thunder in my mind, leaving all those doubts and puddles far behind. Oh, I'm breaking through the rain. Finally seeing truth and never be the truth. This is where I'm meant to be. Midnight again, just me and chlorine. Third night this week since you left me. Can't sleep at home, so I come here. Surface tension breaks as I slide in. Temperature just right like your skin. The water knows my secrets. The water holds me close. The water understands me more than you ever did, more than you'll ever know. Memory fades, your voice gets quiet under waves. Each stroke forward leaves you behind. Ripples spreading out, breaking free. Learning how to breathe without you here. The water knows my secrets. The water holds me close. The water understands me more than you ever did, more than you'll ever know. Every splash erases one more trace of us, till nothing remains but clear blue healing trust. The water knows, the water knows, the water knows, just let it flow. The water knows everything I need to let you go. Late at night by the water's edge, composure intact, that's what they said. But underneath, oh, something pulls me in. Kokoro wa fukaku, my heart runs deep. Namida wa nagasu, tears flow freely, fighting the weight that holds me back. Wonder if I should just relax. Why do I keep my head above water? Above water, when everything pulls me under. Why do I keep my head above water when I'm dying to go deeper? Social smile, perfect disguise. Ripples hide what's inside. Touch the surface, hesitate. These walls I create. Kokoro wa fukaku, namida wa nagasu, breaking the chains that bind me down. Maybe it's time to let me drown. Why do I keep my head above water? Above water, babe, when everything pulls me under. Why do I keep my head above water when I'm dying to go deeper? Flow here in silence, pressure building, oh, pressure building. Flow here in silence till I break free. See, I've been treading water for so long, keeping up appearances, acting strong. But every ripple shows what I try to hide. Every wave reflects the tears I've cried. Swimming in circles, maintaining grace, while underneath I'm losing face. Maybe it's time to drop this facade at the deep end, become